Russia's deadliest attack strikes Kyiv again. Advanced weapons, unleashed without mercy. Curious what the battle looked like? Keep your eyes on the story. Kyiv and the surrounding regions experienced a night of intense turmoil as Russia's armed forces launched a massive, high-intensity airstrike. A barrage of advanced missiles, Iskander, Kinzhal, cruise, hypersonic, and ballistic, struck various suspected strategic targets in Ukraine's capital. According to the Ukrainian Ministry of Internal Affairs, this was one of the largest attacks since the conflict began, with 27 locations around Kyiv targeted, including critical infrastructure and vital points in the city. The assault lasted for around 9 relentless hours, marking a significant escalation in Russian military tactics. Ukraine's Minister of Internal Affairs, Ihor Klimenko, stated that Russia spared no expense in deploying both drones and missiles. In just one night, a total of 440 unmanned aerial vehicles and 32 missiles were launched into Ukrainian territory, according to the BBC. The attack caused damage to various strategic facilities, including advanced air defense systems supplied by Western countries. The motive behind the assault is believed to be a response to a missile strike by Ukrainian forces on a district in Russian-occupied Donetsk. As Ukraine attempted to test Russia's defenses with a wave of UAVs, the counterattack was swift. 147 Ukrainian drones were reportedly shot down across 9 regions of Russia. Back to the situation in Kyiv. What exactly did Russia take from Ukraine this time? The combined attack launched by Russia on Zhuliany Airport in Kyiv serves as concrete proof of the superiority of Russian military technology and tactics in modern conflict. Zhuliany Airport, long known as one of Kyiv's main air hubs, plays a vital role in supporting logistics operations, troop movements, and serves as a distribution center for Ukrainian military and paramilitary supplies. In addition, the airport area also hosted advanced air defense systems, including American-made Patriot systems, which had been relied upon to protect the capital from aerial attacks. Russia began the assault with a wave of Zhuliany-2 unmanned drones, tasked with clearing the path and distracting enemy air defenses. Once Ukraine's air defense systems were forced to respond intensely to the drone onslaught, Kinzhal hypersonic missiles were launched with high speed and precision, striking primary targets within the airport area. This combination proved highly effective, as even the most advanced air defense systems failed to withstand the impact of Russian weapons. As a result, Zhuliany Airport and several key military facilities in its vicinity suffered severe damage. In addition to Zhuliany Airport, the coordinated strike also targeted several key military sites in Kyiv, such as the Armored Plant, the Ministry of Defense's Design and Technology Center, the Repair and Storage Base for Communications Equipment, the Central Base for Railway Equipment, and a warehouse southeast of the Antonov plant, unofficially reported to house assembled drones ready for deployment. Other targets included ammunition depots and Borispil Airport. The entire operation displayed a high level of precision, planning, and execution by the Russian military, reinforcing the notion that Russia's combat capabilities have evolved into a modern force capable of penetrating and disabling even the most advanced enemy defenses. But is the US Patriot system truly weak? The Patriot air defense system, long promoted as the backbone of air defense for America's allied nations, has faced serious challenges in Ukraine. In several high-precision attacks launched by Russia, the system has proven unable to provide maximum protection for key targets in Kyiv. Hypersonic missiles like the Ka-47M2 Kinzhal used by Russia can travel at extraordinary speeds, making them extremely difficult to intercept, even for the most advanced air defense systems. The speed and maneuverability of these hypersonic missiles have caused the Patriot system to lose its edge, as its reaction time and tracking capabilities are insufficient to counter such rapid threats. In addition to hypersonic missiles, Russia has deployed a variety of other high-precision weapons, including short-range ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and highly destructive thermobaric bombs. The use of next-generation fighter jets such as the Sukhoi Su-35 also gives Russia a significant air superiority advantage. This aircraft can carry out sudden attacks using precision-guided air-to-ground missiles and is equipped with advanced avionics and radar systems that allow it to survive counterattacks. Russia's success in breaching Ukraine's air defenses is largely due to its integration of modern weapon systems and combat tactics. The country has adapted the use of mass artillery with GPS technology, surveillance drones, and precision-guided missiles. This allows for more accurate strikes, reduces ammunition waste, and maximizes damage to enemy military targets. From a technical analysis perspective, the failure of the Patriot system in Ukraine is linked to several key factors. First, the system was originally designed to counter conventional ballistic missile threats traveling at subsonic to supersonic speeds, not hypersonic missiles, which far exceed the Patriot's radar tracking capabilities. Second, in today's highly dynamic warfare environment, air defense systems must be able to detect and intercept not just one or two threats, but dozens or even hundreds of simultaneous incoming targets. Russia has employed saturation tactics, launching large numbers of missiles and drones at once, overwhelming enemy defenses and making it impossible to intercept all incoming threats effectively. Moreover, international reports have noted that Russian strikes often target the command centers and radar systems that coordinate air defenses. This can render systems like the Patriot unable to function properly, making them vulnerable to subsequent attacks. In some cases, Russia's precision missiles have even succeeded in directly destroying Patriot batteries, proving that the system is not immune to next-generation counterstrikes. So, what do you think of the strikes in Kyiv? That's all for today, and thanks for watching.